Hi guys, look what I have. I got a diamond painting from Dreamer's Design, and it's a square canvas. And this is what it is. Cozy Gnome by Art Afay, if that's how you pronounce it. And it's 60 by 60 centimeters, or 23.6 by 23.6. And like I said, it's a diamond square. Isn't that gorgeous? This is my first painting I ever done from Dreamer's Design. So this is the box it came in. Okay, I already took it out. So, you get your instructions, and it tells you everything. It says thank you, tells you how to diamond paint, and then you get a 15% coupon off your next purchase, which I love. And then it gives you tips and tricks on the back, and some more information on the back. They are on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. So go check them out if you've never seen this company before. Now, you got your kit in this beautiful white velvet bag. I haven't opened it yet. So, this is what's inside of it. You got your baggies, extra baggies. You got your wax, your purple wax. And it says Dreamer Designs on it. And then you got some squishies to put on your pen. And, oh, this is the divider for the tray. That's nice. So, I guess you go like that. Oh, that's nice. That's really cool. And then it opens right there. You just pull it apart a little bit and put it back together. That's cool. And it says Dreamer's Design on the back. And it's like a very light purple. Very, very light. And then you get your tweezers. And it says Dreamer's Design. Let me see if I can put some more light on. I didn't want to glare. So there's the Dreamer's Design. And yes, these are very sharp guys. And then here's your pen. And you get some multi-placers. You get a straightener. And I think this might be a 6. Let me see if they have the numbers on here. I can't tell. Yes, this is a 6. And this is a 3. So you get all that. So that's nice. You get lots of wax. Alright, so we'll set that aside. I love this soft canvas. Oh, I left something out. Oh, you get another pen. Oh, you get one of these. This is almost like the wax pen, I think, to pick up like your special drills. So that's nice. Alright, and then I already cut the ledger, and we have 65 colors. And you get numbers, you get some letters, and you get a lot of symbols. And then your drills come in this nice Dreamer's Design bag. I'll pull you guys up a little bit. Very nice. It's very well packaged. And there it is. There's this Cozy Gnome. And there's all your colors. And they're in those plastic little bags. And I don't know what my special drills are. There are some special drills in here. I am not an expert at special drills, but I think there's 1, 2, 3 special drills. I haven't opened this up quite yet. And now here comes the exciting part, guys. The canvas. Look at this canvas. Oh, I'll move everything out of the way. But look at this canvas. You got a little gnome in the corner of the fireplace. There's the fireplace. There's the big gnome. You have the ledger on one side. And then it says up here, delighted with your masterpiece. Use hashtag Dreamer's Design to be featured on our social channel. And there's all the sites that they are on. And then over here, it says Cozy Gnome. And there's your thumbnail. And it tells you who the artist is and the size. This is a licensed canvas. And then you have a ledger over here. And it says lifetime down here. And it says your diamond canvas kit comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamond protection from Dreamer's Designs. And there's a website. And then it says paint with passion. But look how beautiful that is. Look at, you got the snow in the background with the trees. You got the Christmas tree. You got the lantern. There's a lot of color block, so I like it. There's not a lot of confetti. You got your wreath in your cabin. But isn't that nice, guys? I can't wait to work on this. And again, there's the thumbnail. That's gorgeous. And let's see. Very sticky. And there's the drill fill. So you can read this pretty good. It's one big plastic cover. This is core glue, and you got the soft canvas with the scallop edges and the hole so it don't fray on the side. And there's the back. So yes, so this is what I'm going to be working on next, guys. Tell me what you think. I think this is gorgeous. It's like Christmas in July, almost, because we're in May. The fireplace, you got presents, you got stockings. I love this. And the drills. But like I said, this is my first square. So I will be showing you as I go along on how I do my squares. But I have another surprise for you guys. I bought the Diamond 3D printing. And these are for squares. And I don't know if it'll work on this, but we'll find out. There's a V1 and there's a V2. It's supposed to be for DAC, for Dreamer's Design. And you never know, could work for your budget-friendly paintings. So we shall see. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, and please watch all my videos to the end. It does help both of us. That's what they say. So watch all the videos to the end. Alright guys, have a great night.